Let's learn some alphabets A to Z and colors name. Purple color, light yellow color, orange color, dark pink color, green color, red color, light brown color, olive green color, brown color, sky blue color, light pink color, dark green color, light orange color. A for avocado. B for broccoli. C for cucumber. D for dragon. E for English. F for fox. Light brown color. G for glass. H for hand. Light yellow color. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish. Olive green color. K for kite. L for lychee. Orange color. M for mouth. N for nuts. Sky blue color. O for olive. P for pineapple. Red color. Q Q. Q for quilt. Q. Q for quilt. R. R for rainbow. Dark green color. S. S. S for star. T. T for tuberose. U. U for uniform. V. V for vanilla. Sky blue color. W. W for water. X. X for Xerox. Black color. Y. Y for yolk. Z. Z for zero. A. A for avocado. B. B for broccoli. C. C for candy. D. D for dragon. E for English. F. F for fox. G. G for glass. H for hand. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish. K for kite. L for lychee. M for mouth. N for nuts. O for olive. P for pineapple. Q for quilt. R for rainbow. S for star. T for tuberose. U for uniform. V for vanilla. W for water. X for Xerox. Y for yolk. Z for zero. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Bye.